Welcome back, everybody. As you can guess, we're out truck camping again. The weather has been very weird here in Wisconsin. We do have wind gusts here of up to 47 miles an hour today. Super windy, a little bit of snow, and the wind just chills you to the bone. But anyways, I just pulled into the spot. I plan to do some fishing for a little bit down at the river here. I'm gonna grab my rods, head down there, and see if we can get a fish. And then later on, we're gonna make some good food. So come along, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. More snow. You hear the river down below, right down here. Yeah, it is windy out today. It's hard to tell. The camera doesn't really do it justice. She's loud in the woods, and it's definitely chilly. I'm gonna strap my gear on, and we'll get down there and start fishing. It is so windy out here, guys. My reel just got blown over. Or rod and reel. That's not the start you want to go in. Gotta retie already. Just hopped back in the truck. Tried to catch some fish. I was hoping to see if the suckers were in, but all I was getting was a bunch of snags. So anyways, I'm gonna head out of here. I lost like four baits in that time I was down there. I was only down there for probably an hour. But I'm gonna head out of here. I'm gonna go find a campsite. I was gonna stay out here in the county woods tonight, but I think instead I'm actually gonna go find a campground. That way I can run my heater and just be nice and cozy, because it's cooling off and this wind is absolutely wicked. And snow's starting to come down pretty good as well. So this video has kind of been a cluster so far. Huge fail, honestly. I had originally planned to go 4 hours away and do some fishing. I was hoping to get on some big walleyes. And I was gonna leave this morning at 2 in the morning, and then that whole entire area just got pummeled by snow, rain, wind. I tried to leave this afternoon and get a late start, just try to get out there, but I made it about half an hour from home, and the tonneau cover came off. It was flapping around in the wind. I thought it was gonna break out my back window.
Probably fix this quick.
I said heck with it. So anyways, we're out here. I'm gonna run to the campground, try to find a decent site, and then I'm pretty excited. I got something new I've never made, and should be good for supper. So stay tuned. A little spoiler alert for you guys. The next video after this one, I do plan to do some camping out here in the county woods, and that video should be awesome, so stay tuned for that one. Nasty, nasty weather. All right, everybody, welcome back. We have made it to the campsite. We're in a campground, and yeah, I figured if I'm gonna be out here and it's gonna be this cold and nasty, I might as well just stay here and pay the camping fee, and that way I got electricity too, so I can stay completely cozy in the truck just like last time. And the roads were getting pretty nasty that I was on. I don't know how they're gonna look tomorrow once everything melts, but anyways, I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm starving, and this meal is gonna take me a little bit. I've never done it, and I'm anxious to try it, so I need to find a couple things. I think we're actually gonna try cooking out here. The snow's not terrible right here. These trees are kind of blocking it a little bit. I don't know, we'll see how this goes. Too bad fishing wasn't any better, but this weather's pretty crazy right now, so might have the fish messed up a little bit too. Figured I'd try a few casts anyways since we're out here. There we go. I'm gonna try making myself some homemade crab rangoon. Thanks to my truck, we're able to thaw out these wonton wrappers as well as this imitation crab. I got the cream cheese warming up right now, and then we are gonna be getting ready to cook here. I suppose while that's going, I can start dicing up some crab and onion. I've never done anything like this, and what the heck? Individually wrapped, huh? All right, crab's cut up. Next, I'm gonna chop up a little bit of this green onion. Right. Well, forgot a bowl, so I'm just gonna use this pot. Next, I'm gonna throw A little bit of garlic in here. Got some soy sauce. Forgot the Worcestershire sauce as well. And then we got some sesame oil. All right. Just gotta add the cream cheese. Touch of salt and pepper. Hope you guys can hear that wind behind me. It's whipping. All right, we're gonna call that good. Let's see if this goes easier or harder than the egg rolls. A little clump of this. Put it right on there. Get my finger wet. Never done this. Squish in the middle. I think that's kind of how it's supposed to look. Something like that. Here's one. It's not so bad. There we go. First round's off. They kind of opened up a little bit, but I'm no professional. All right, guys, I'm waiting to put these other ones on. I took it off the burner for a minute, so I got it warming back up, but I'm anxious to try these. They smell delicious. Got some sweet chili. Could use sweet and sour. Oh, could use sweet and sour too, but all right. Oh, look at that. All right, let's give this a whirl. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, wow. That is delicious. That is so good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Them are bomb. Mm-hmm. Cheers, y'all. I wish you could taste this right now. I'm gonna throw these on quick, clean everything up, And then when I get these off, I'm gonna hop in the truck, kick back, and we'll enjoy these where it's warm. Just got dinner all cleaned up. I'm gonna hop in the truck, eat the rest of those, and watch a movie. First, get our heater plugged in. Whew. All right, they're in, and I am excited to keep eating these. Get a movie going here. The only thing I think that can make these better would be to use actual crab meat, boil some crab claws and pull the meat. But other than that, this imitation crab does a darn good job blending into crab meat because it tastes pretty darn good. I'm gonna smash a couple more of these down. We're gonna kick back and enjoy us a movie. Stay out of this nasty wind. I was trying to make food and stuff was blowing everywhere off the table. There's a guy next to me, and unfortunately I can hear his music all the way through that camper. Same with his dog, but oh well. She is a windy one. Phew, she's blowing good out here. You guys hear that wind out there? I'm kind of worried there's gonna be a branch or a tree coming down on my truck. I think we'll be all right. We're in a decent enough opening, but if one wanted to, it definitely could. Hey buddy, if you could turn your music down just a touch, that'd be nice. I can hear your bass through my truck. Time for a movie, guys. Bunch of movies. All right, guys, last time we watched Escape Plan, the Extractors. I'm gonna watch Escape Plan 2, Hades, it looks like. Let's turn the heater back on to warm it up in here a little bit. This Escape Plan 2 is way different than the first one, but so far it's not too bad. Earlier, before coming to the campground, I stopped at an Asian market. Hello. And picked up, it says hot and spicy cuttlefish flavored crackers. I've never tried these, never heard of them, never seen them until today. And as you can tell, the back's all stuff I can't really read, so give it a try and see how this tastes. I'm a little nervous. This smell reminds me of squid that you'd use for bait in Florida. It's got a weird texture on it too. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It does have some spice. They're actually pretty good, but they're just very odd. I can't think of anything that describes this. It's kind of sweet at first, almost like lobster meat. And then you get the spice after, mixed with like sweet corn. I don't know. It's hard to describe. It's always fun to try new stuff though. It says it's got cuttlefish powder in it. Very odd. I don't even know what a cuttlefish is. Is it like a squid? All right, I had to try them. Let's get back to the movie. Alright guys, that escape plan 2 was alright, but I like the first one a lot better. I'm gonna try to find another one here. Alrighty guys, it's starting to get dark outside. I'm gonna pop the Reflectix up all the way around. The heater's running, it's cranking some pretty good heat. But probably turn it off again because it's almost getting too hot. Pretty peaceful too, laying here and hearing all the snow hitting the roof of my truck. Alright, for the second video of the night, I'm going to watch A Walk Among the Tombstones. I'm not sure if I've actually seen this. I can't remember if I did it in a video or not, but it's got Liam Neeson in it, so probably got a lot of shooting and fighting. Oh. Snow is still coming down. Just finished A Walk Among the Tombstones, and I am beat. I'm gonna get some shut-eye. I got an alarm set for the morning, and the heater's running, and yeah, it's gonna be a cozy night in the truck, so see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. I slept really good. The heater was off for a good chunk of the night. I had it set to 60, and then I just woke up and cranked it up a little bit, turned it on. But anyways, I gotta get home. It is 8 o'clock right now. My alarm just went off, so I'm gonna tear this Reflectix down and start packing up and making my way home. Oh yeah, got some snow out there. Beautiful morning. Nice little blanket of snow. Winds died down. Should be a nice day. Heater was set to 60, and my truck's been on for a couple minutes, and now it's 61. That heater's got to get it pretty close in here. Just packed everything up, which wasn't much. I just grabbed the cord and whatnot for that, for the power outlet for the heater. Got the Reflectix all rolled up, and yeah, it's kind of nice about sleeping in the truck like this. It doesn't take much, and you can be on the road again. So I hopped in the front seat, and we're heading her home. our neighbor we had. Had to stop and pick me up a Diet Coke. A little caffeine this morning. I've been addicted to Diet Coke lately, and I have no idea why. Back on the road. All right, guys, just pulled in the driveway. Overall, that camping trip was a lot of fun. The weather was nasty. Like, when I say nasty, the video doesn't even do it justice. Trees are whipping like crazy. Branches were falling. Snow mixed in with it. But overall, had a lot of fun. Those crab rangoons were super good. Homemade, first time I've ever made them, and they turned out quite well. I will definitely be doing that recipe again because they were very good. If you guys want to give them a try, it's super simple, super easy, and does not take a lot of time. So anyways, it's next week. I got something big planned, and hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy this video as well. Greatly appreciate all you guys coming along, and I always appreciate the support. If you guys could, just drop a like, drop a comment. I'm curious to see where a lot of you guys are watching from, so if you could just drop me a comment and tell me what state you're in, I'd greatly appreciate it. Yeah, that's it for this video, so I'm gonna get inside and I'll catch you guys in the next adventure. Love y'all, and I'll see you soon.